If you want to make money like this channel with Amazon affiliate, then you be at right video. You definitely realize that Amazon.com has large number of items that you can advance. What's more, bring in cash with. However, perhaps you don't know instructions to join to the Amazon Partners Program. The best items that you can offer to make the most measure of cash. Furthermore, how to advance those items in the most effortless and quickest manner. Well, I'm going to show you the entirety of that bit by bit at this moment, and likewise in the event that you stay to the furthest limit of this video. I will make this a format that you would straight be able to download that will make this a great deal quicker and simpler for you. In this video I show you how you can make money on YouTube with using Amazon affiliate program. Using affiliate program you can make money on YouTube without showing face and voice. Best we start. Please subscribe the channel, like, share and comment on the video. Let's start. Now you can see the new tech gadgets as the channel, and they got 1.32 million subscribers. Now you can see their videos, 10 next generation cool toys 202. 8 new advanced gadgets that are on another level. 8 cool gadgets that are worth buying. You can see their all videos is about only gadgets, that are technology gadgets, future inventors, smart gadgets, wheeled vehicles. And see their views on videos as more than 20,000 plus and 50,000 plus views, and some videos as million plus views. Yo can also make these types of videos easily and make money. Now if we play any of his video in new tab. And now scroll down and in his description and click on see more for see as details. Now you can see that they give the link of all product videos they use, and if we buy this product they earn commission, which means more money. Now see there is the Amazon link. If we open this link in new tab. Now you can see that there is Amazon product they use. Now if we open another link. And you can see that there is video they use in his video. They also use affiliate program from this website and earn commission. And if we see their stats in Social Blade, and you can see there is 3 million plus views from last 30 days, and see their monthly estimate as $975 to $15, which is very huge amount. And see their yearly estimate as very best. Now see their daily video views, and you can see that there is more than 1 million views, and 2 million plus views, and 1.8 million plus views also. Now first you have to create the Amazon affiliate program of Amazon. After create his affiliate program. And then go to the Amazon website. And open any one product you want. I use the category and choose the electronics, because electronics product is very best to promote. Now after that you any product, we don't have to use these earphone products because no one have interest in this product to see and buy. And now I open this product. And now you can see this product and see they have the videos which you use. Now click on videos. Now you can see that there is videos you can use for your video. These videos is free copyright, because this videos is from company of these products. Now you can download the video from video downloader helper. You can download the video any resolution. You can also download the video in 1080 pixels, and also in 720p. Now go to the Google and search video downloader helper for Firefox. Now open the first link. And you can see that you can add this extension for Firefox and also for Chrome. With this you can download any videos from Amazon very easily in any resolution. Now you can see that there is Get Link option at top. You have to link on it, and there is the link of affiliate program, for you can use in your video description. Now after download all the videos of product you want to use. Now you have to create a video. And I recommended you the Filmora 10 as the best software you can use for YouTube video editing. And here you can see their requirements. And now you can see there is download option, click on it, and click on save, then your video is starting to download. Now the last step is to upload a video on YouTube and earn money. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel.